Hello everyone. In last few videos of Python this series, we have seen about Python and setup of Python, and also we have seen variables, data types, how to print input and output, as well as we have seen some loops. Now, whatever loops we have seen, we are going to get examples of each pattern of loop in more detail little bit. So this is patterns printing in Python. Okay. What are the topics we will cover? First of all, we will see pattern printing, and we will install nested loops, star patterns, and number patterns, pyramid, and some practice size. What is pattern printing? Pattern printing is used to display different shapes using loops, mainly stars, numbers, or characters. It helps in understanding nested loops and logic building in Python. Pattern printing means you have seen different kind of design like this triangle shape or making designs like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you are making pattern or you are making pattern of stars like this. Okay, so like this, all patterns we will make it by here loop using loops and using numbers, stars, and characters. Understanding nested loops. In last class, we have seen about nested loops. Nested loop means a loop which is running continuously inside another loop. One loop is working already, but it is existing inside another loop. You can see here that for I in range 3 means until the value is 3, it will work. I value is equal to 1, I value equal to 2, I value equal to 3. So it will run until that point. Inside this loop, there is another value for j in range 3. Means j also j equal to 1, j equal to 2, j equal to 3. J will also run up to 3 values. Now it is telling until the range of j is 3, you have to print star in place of j. After that, it will print the star in place of j. So first of all, it will take the value of j, this loop, first of all, inside loop, that j value is what? 3. So it will print the star until 3 times because the range of j is 3. Now this loop will go to outer range. Now this loop will move to outer loop, which is for I in range of 3. Means when I value is 1, then j value equal to 1, 2, 3. Now I value is equal to 2. Now j value is 1, 2, 3. So for 1, 2, 3, it will print star. So for 3 times it will print star. Now similarly i's value is what? 3. Because here it is 3 value for range. So now for again for j it will print all the value of j. So like this star block will be ready. It is showing here. This is C program for I in range 3, for j in range 3. Now it will print star on behalf of j. Whenever there is some value on j, it will print star and it will finish line. So if you run this, it will print the pattern like this: star, 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 9 times, like this. Okay, so these are nested loop example, and this is also a pattern using nested loop. Okay, star pattern, right angle triangle. In this, it is printing pattern like triangle here, right angle triangle. Now it is telling there is one variable whose value is 5, which is assigned. Now for I in range 1 to row plus 1, as I told, the final range value is n minus 1 will be always printed. So here row plus 1 means row plus 1 minus 1. It will print until the row value. Here row value is what? 5. So it will act from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we run this program, here first of all I will take what? 1. In place of 1, it is printing what? It is printing star cross I. So first of all, I value is what? 1. So star cross multiply 1, then it will be 1 star. Star multiply by 2, it will be 2 star. Because here I value is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until 5, then first of all 1, then 2, then 3. Like this, similarly, it is printing 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. It is printing up to 5 stars from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this star pattern can be made using the simple loop of for loop. Okay, we will see this in so here is our program about a star right angle triangle pattern using star. If you run this, then you got this output. Pattern is what? Inverted triangle. In last pattern, we print the pattern in like this pattern, but now in this we are printing opposite of it. Okay, so here nothing is different. The values are from final. to beginning, and this minus 1 is there. First of all, you have to understand range, how range works. Okay, so how range works means here it is initial value, it is final value, and this third value is what the change, whatever change you are making, it will uh, placed here. So initial value is what row is value what 5. So initial value is what 5, and it will move up to zero value. And by what difference it will change? Minus 1. So then 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So like this it will run. Okay. And whenever the value of I is getting something, like I will get first 5, then I will get 4. Then whenever I will get some value, it will print as a star value. Okay, it will print a star in place of I. So I value is what 5. Then it will print the value. It will print the I 5 times, and I is now considered star here. We are printing in a star form. So like this will print inverted star form. So let's see this in VS Code. So here is our program. If we run this program, then we'll get this output inverted star pattern. Okay, inverted star pattern for triangle using stars. Dynamic pattern. So here the pattern is what, like this pyramid is like this now. So it will print the design like this only from small. This is a pyramid program. If you run this program, then you will get output like this, a star in a pyramid format. You will understand this program by separating this. You separate this first half this and second half this. It is printing the number of space values. Okay, then it will plus means it will add this value and it will add this value, whatever the result is coming in single one. Okay, so here space is coming, then row value is what, and I value is what. You have to understand this. If you get row value is what 5, then I value is what 0. After that 5 minus 0 will be 5, and then whatever result is coming minus 1. Minus 1 will be 4. It means it will print 4 times of star, means 4 times of space. Okay, so space. After that it will print star these many times, means 2 I value in the beginning is what 0, then 2 into 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Now 1 into star, it will be 1 star. So like this it is getting first, our first line of program. You can see here our first line of program is only 1 star starting with 4 blank spots. Similarly, if the value of in place of 5 there is more values, the pyramid will be more long. Okay, number pattern in increasing order. This is our number pattern in increasing order. You will see this in VS Code. Here we get the output like this: 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, now it is your responsibility to practice these simple patterns: hollow square, diamond pattern, Floyd triangle, Pascal triangle by yourself. Okay. Conclusion: pattern programs help strengthen logical thinking and understanding of loops. They are commonly asked in coding interviews and programming exams. Thank you for watching.